Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Sherry and today we're going to be making a strawberry wine punch. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food, you love fun, you love having a few drinks, go ahead, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss anything new. Okay, so Thursdays I like to refer to as Thirsty Thursday, and I make a drink or two and have a little bit of fun. And I thought today, instead of making a drink or two, I think I'm just going to make a whole punch bowl full of stuff. So that's why we're going to do the strawberry wine punch. And I thought this would be great because Mother's Day is just a few days away. And this is great if you're serving like a brunch. And if you have a big crowd that you're serving, you can double this recipe for sure. So it's super, super easy. And the funny thing is there actually isn't any strawberry wine in it. This is a regular wine. This is a sparkling velvet white. So I usually use a Moscato, but you can use any kind of sweet white wine that you have on hand. So the first thing we're going to do is dump this entire bottle in here. So this is going to serve a lot. And then the next thing I have here is, this is actually the Old Orchard brand. So Bacardi used to make one and I could not find it in the store. Matter of fact, I had to go to 2 different stores before I found even this. Frozen strawberry daiquiri mix. But I love having this stuff because you can keep this in the freezer and it doesn't take up too much space and you always kind of have it on hand. Ooh, now it looks strawberry, right? And then the other thing we're going to add is, whoop. It smells like fresh strawberries. We're going to add a half a bottle of soda. Whoa. Let's see if this is half. That looks about like half. Give or take, you know, it doesn't have to be perfect. All right, so all we need to do is stir this up. See how easy that was? And the other thing you need is just a little bit of strawberries for garnish. So I went ahead and took my glass and filled it full of some ice. And I got a little... This is what do you call this? Like an appetizer pick that I put in the top of my strawberry. Just for decoration. Put the strawberry on the side, added a straw, and then, this is not the prettiest ladle for this. I don't know where the ladle went with this punch bowl. But, look at a pretty color that is. And it's all fizzy. Alright, let's give it a drink. It's so good. It's so refreshing. Really, it's perfect for Mother's Day. Normally I do like mimosas and stuff, but I really think this is great because you can make up a big batch of it ahead of time. Like I said, it's really easy to double. But the other thing I like about making a punch like this is you can freeze this and then you have like a, what do you call it? We have like a strawberry wine slush. Yeah, and so then you can have that on hand like through the summer. Like if you have, company come over and you're not really expecting it, you always have something on hand. So I like to freeze this as well. And as a matter of fact, talking about freezing it, that's the other reason I like to put it in the punch bowl. So you can definitely serve this out of a pitcher with just some ice, but I like doing it in the punch bowl because, I'll show you, I like to do some fruit punch or maybe even make a little bit of the strawberry daiquiri in here mixed with maybe some water and make an ice ring. So that's what I did. And I used my, let's see if we can do this without making a mess. So sometimes I'll even put fruit in here, but I like to put the fruit juice and then you have a cute little ring to float in the top of here. The issue was though, I knew this was going to take a day to freeze and I hadn't been to the store. So what I did was, well, it looks like we need, this doesn't quite work. Ooh, it turned it purple. So I didn't have any grape juice on hand. So what I did was use a little bit of food coloring, as you can tell. But I wanted you guys to get the idea of something that you could do and it make it really pretty. So I have this cool little mold here, and I'm making a mess everywhere. But you get the idea, and I definitely need to add a little bit more punch. But I'm going to take this back out, and I'm probably going to freeze this because I'm going to be the only one to drink it. I think. My husband doesn't care for punch too much. But anyway, I hope you all enjoyed that. Definitely give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I will see you next Thursday with another drink recipe. Bye!